Tired of the constant ringing in your ears? These 5 natural remedies can help you take back control without meds or surgery. 1. Sound therapy. Using white noise or nature sounds can reduce how noticeable your tinnitus is. Play it during sleep or work to calm the nerves. For extra support, I also use a natural tinnitus supplement that works from the inside. Check the link in the description. 2. Magnesium-rich foods. Low magnesium levels are linked to tinnitus. Add spinach, almonds, and dark chocolate to your diet. 3. Avoid caffeine and nicotine. Both can constrict blood vessels, making the ringing worse. Cutting back might bring instant relief. Pair this with a supplement that improves your circulation. Link in the description if you want what I use. 4. Stay hydrated. Dehydration makes tinnitus worse. Aim for 8+ glasses a day. 5. Stress reduction techniques. Meditation, breathing exercises, and even short walks can lower anxiety, often a trigger for tinnitus flare-ups. Alongside these tips, I take a natural formula that supports nerve and ear health. Check it out in the description. Comment silence. Please like and share if these helped you, and explore the best natural tinnitus support. Link in the description.